Hi, in this video, I will show you how to share your feedback with the product team of e-signature module. On the top right corner, you could see the button share your feedback. Click on it. You will get to have three different options: suggest an improvement. If you have any ideas that could make the e-signature module better, you could provide your improvement. Or if you have new feature that you think that it's useful for yourself, also that could be useful for others, you can suggest a feature by choosing suggest a new feature. Or you think there is a bug that is blocking you in executing a signature or signing or sending out a document, or the system is not working in the expected way, you could report a bug. It's very simple. Click on the option, a pop-up appears, give your comments, and if you have a screenshot that you like to add, you can click on this dialog box or this drag and drop your image here, press submit. Now after submitting, the product team of e-signature module would get your feedback directly. They would start working on your feedback to improvise the product. I hope this video clarifies how to share your feedback. Let's meet in another video.